This is the Shrinkage Compensation Calculator for injection molding, which calculates the required mold dimensions to achieve your desired part size after material shrinkage. Let's look at the inputs. First, select your material type from the drop-down menu. Options include ABS at 0.5%, polyethylene at 1.5%, polypropylene at 2%, polystyrene at 0.8%, PVC at 0.7%, nylon at 2.5%, acetyl at 1.8%, or custom rate. For this demo, I'll select polypropylene at 2%. Next, choose your units, either millimeters or inches. I'll use millimeters. In the part dimension field, enter your desired final part dimension. Let's say 100 millimeters. If you selected custom rate, you'd also enter your shrink rate as a decimal, like 0.015 for 1.5%. Click Calculate Mold Dimension. The calculator will show you the mold cavity dimension needed to compensate for shrinkage. This accounts for the material's shrinkage percentage, ensuring your final part matches your target dimension. The calculator essentially adds the shrinkage amount to your desired dimension, giving you the larger mold size required. This tool saves time and reduces costly trial and error in mold design. Find the link in the description below.